Pranam. My name is Nilesh Sinha and welcome to my channel Pilgrimage Varanasi. Today I will take you to Markandeya Mahadev, another very important temple or a pilgrimage site in Varanasi. There are a lot of beliefs what this temple has and I will share the story of this temple today with you. Markandeya Mahadev temple is one of the religious places of Uttar Pradesh. This place is situated at a distance of about 27 kilometers from Varanasi, near Chaubepur on the right side of Varanasi-Gazipur road in a village called Kaithi. It is also the second Kashi which was established by Kashiraj Devudas. In present day, this place is known by the name of Kaithi. It is situated on the holy bank of Ganga Gomti confluence. Markandeya Mahadev temple is famous as a symbol of Shaivai Vaishnavai unity. People suffering from various kinds of troubles come here to get rid of their sorrows. The name of Sri Ram is written with sandalwood paste on the vine leaf and offered on Shivalinga of Markandeya Mahadev temple. By doing this, the wish of getting a son is fulfilled. The Tapovan here is quite famous. It has been the penance place for sages like Garg, Parashar, Shringi, Udayal, etc. It was at this very place that Shringi Rishi had performed Putreshtiya Yajna for King Dashratha to get a son. For the fulfillment of this son's desire, there is no other place than this. At this Taposthali of Markandeya Mahadev, at all times the pair of husband and wife wearing yellow clothes make recitation of Harivansh Puran to get a son. It is believed that on the second day of Mahashivratri, by offering a vine leaf, Sri Ram written on it, the wish of getting a son is fulfilled. The mythological story of this place goes like this. Both the sage Mrikand and his wife Marandhati were childless. He was doing penance at Naimisaranya. Many sages were also doing penance there. Seeing the Mrikand sage, they often used to say in the form of a taunt that Bina Putra Gati Nashti, that is, without son there is no moksha. The Mrikand sage used to feel very guilty. He left Naimisaranya and went to Vindhyachal with the wish of getting a son. There he started severe penance. Pleased with his sadhana, Brahma himself told him the way to get a son, because there is only one, Lord Shankara, who can erase my writing. You can get a son by worshipping Lord Shankara. Pleased with this, Mrikand Rishi went to confluence of Ganga Gomti Tapovan Kaithi and got absorbed in the severe worship of Lord Shankar. After some years, Shankarji appeared to him and asked him to ask for a boon. The sage Mrikand prayed, Lord, may I get the son Ratna? On this, Shiva said, you want many worthless sons of long age or one virtuous son who will only live for 16 years of age? The sage said, Lord, I only want a virtuous son. When the time came, a son named Markandeya was born to the sage couple. The child was sent to ashram for education. With the passage of time, the concern about the young age of the child started troubling the sage Mrikand. The couple started living sad. Markandeya wasn't able to see the sorrow of his parents. He started insisting his parents to know the reason. Being compelled in front of child's stubbornness, the sage Mikand told the whole story. Markandeya understood that when I was born with the blessing of Lord Shankara, by erasing the writing of Brahma, then even in this crisis, one should take shelter of Shankara. Markandeya sat at the confluence of Ganga and the Gomti and got absorbed in severe penance. One day, Yamraj sent his messenger to take the child Markandeya. Seeing the child absorbed in the penance of Lord Shankara, the courage of Yamraj's messenger was broken. He went and told the whole situation to Yamraj. Then Yamraj himself came, riding on a buffalo. To break the attention of the child, Markandeya Yamraj started attacking from afar, showing fear. Then Markandeya ji got scared, and from his hand the Shivlinga fell on the ground. As soon as Shivlinga fell, at that very moment, in the world of death, Shiv Parthiv took shape from the immortal. Seeing Yamraj's distress, Lord Shankara appeared to protect the devotee and saved Markandeya from Yamraj and alerted Yamraj that even if the world moves from here to there, the sun and the moon may change, but you can't do anything bad to my supreme devotee Markandeya. The age of the child will be calculated from my days. Since then, the village Kathi, situated on the banks of Ganga Gomti, is famous by the name of Markandeya ji. Even today, Hindus get siddhi and peace at pilgrimage sites. From time to time, such ascetics have been born on the earth who have turned the writing of the fate on the strength of their tenacity. The Markandeya Mahadev Tirth Dham, situated on the confluence of Ganga Gomti, is a unique example. As you can see, around this temple, lot of devotees performing different pujas. This is one of the very important aspect of this temple. Especially when you are in some auspicious days like Navratri, Shivratri, Sawan, you will see hundreds of devotees coming here and bowing their heads. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I would request you, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and also hit the like button, and if you really like the video, please share amongst your friends. I'll see you soon. Thank you very much. Thank you.